Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make this bunny ornament filled with pearls. So I have a dough mold that I got from Miniature Sweets, and I'm filling it with resin about half of the way through. And once I fill that, I'm going to place on the cap of the mold, placing even pressure on the mold, making sure that the UV resin can fill throughout. And once cured, I'm going to pull it out and slowly take off the little resin dome from the mold. On very fine sandpaper, I'm gently rubbing the edges of the dome to make sure that there are no jags or rough edges. Next, I'm filling one of the halves with a lot of pearls. It doesn't have to be pearls, you can decorate it with anything like candy or beads or anything that's colorful. And on the other dome, I'm taking a paintbrush and I'm gently painting on a thin layer of resin to glue on the two domes together. After the two domes are put together, I'm going to allow it to cure under the UV lamp. And then I'm going to add this little bunny cap that I got from Miniature Sweets by adding resin to the bottom. And I'm placing it on my ball, and I'm placing it in the middle where the two domes meet. And once cured, you should have a product that looks like this. And at this stage, you can stop here, but I decided it was lacking a little bit of something, so I decided to give it a cute little bunny face. So I added 3 little dots of resin onto the ball, and I added 2 little dot eyes made out of clay that were already baked. A W smile, also made out of pre-baked clay, and it's pretty much adding 2 little smiles together. And in the middle, I'm adding a little half circle nose and allowing the resin to completely cure under the UV lamp. And here is the final product of your bunny ornament filled with little pearls. And if you guys want to see more tutorials on different animals, let me know, because I can fill it definitely with different objects. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you!